Hello everyone, welcome to a demo of the feed and announcements feature for the upgraded app, which is going to be version 3 of the app. So, as seen in the other video series, I did do a almost hour-long overview of all the screens for the upgrade and shared some details about it. If you click or go directly to this link, I should say, you'll be able to, at your own pace, go through all the screens of the mock-up of version 3 of the app. Version 3 of the app right now is probably 50% done. There's a lot more work that needs to be completed, but I wanted to show some progress in terms of, what's going to be in the app. So you can see here there's probably about 17 features in the app. In the existing app, which you can access now, so if you go to app.chargingthefuture.com, once you're logged in, there's 9 core features. And so there's a lot of new stuff that's being added. In this video, what I'm going to do is go over just the feed feature. And the purpose is that I basically do short videos. So if you're only interested in one specific feature, then you'll be able to just jump directly to it and listen to it, and then provide any feedback if you have any. So feed and announcements is completely new. So on the right hand side, you can see there it doesn't exist whatsoever. And so in version 3, the reason why I added this is that right now I provide updates basically through Quora, but that's not a platform that us as a community owns. And so I wanted to create something that's a bit more customized and also has live updates. So that way people can quickly get information and subscribe to different feeds. All across the app, one of the biggest updates is that there is now going to be live audio, live video, and there's also going to be chat, which doesn't exist in this current version. So you can sign up for version 2 right now. Again, if you go to app.chargingthefuture.com, and what will happen is once version 3 is ready, all that data will be migrated over to the new app. And so let's go ahead and go over these screens here. When you go to feed and announcements, if you're not signed in, it's basically going to say that you do need to sign in to see it. And that's pretty straightforward. So we'll just go ahead and go to the next screen. So once you're signed in, it basically has a whole bunch of announcements that's being made by myself and other individuals. And so the whole goal is just to keep the community updated because, again, there's like 17 different features. There's a lot going on. So this is a way to make sure that you're updated on the entire community. My personal goal is that we reach about 384 community members. Right now in Quora, we have 400 people. And out of the 400 people, we have close to 70 people who have signed up for the app. Now, I've been working on this upgrade for some time now, and so probably for like the last maybe 3 months or so, there hasn't been much movement on my end with making changes to the app. So that's why there's kind of a slowdown in growth in terms of people signing up. Um, but when I was making significant updates, like I'm talking about, like each week I was probably making about 30 Quora posts, making changes to the app and stuff like that. We were getting, was it like 10% growth week over week, which is really good, or I should say average 10%. Some weeks are lower, but you can check out all those updates I was making on Quora as well as on the blog site. And what I'm trying to do is now move those updates to here to make it more user friendly. And I think that's really it when it comes to this. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. Anyone who's been on social media apps, there's like a feed. This is basically kind of similar to that. And then if there aren't any posts in the feed, this is what the page looks like. Again, these are design mockups. These are not going to be 100% identical in terms of copy. Um, this is what the screen looks like when it's just loading. Now, one of the notable differences between version 2 of the app and version 3 is that version 2, all the features are in the web app and minus one, which is Chime, which is an Android app. So you go to the web app and it directs you to where to download the dedicated Chime app. Now, with version 3, what's going to happen is everything that's in the web app is going to be in an Android app. And so this gives you a view of what it's going to look like. This is what the feed's going to look like, and what the feed looks like if there's nothing there. And that's it. So pretty straightforward. Um, if you have any feedback, let me know. And thanks for joining.